Hi, I'm Bill with Daniels Manufacturing. Daniels is proud of our heritage of building quality tools in the USA. These tools can be found on the QPL list of mill qualified tools. Today we're going to demonstrate the AF8, AFM8 and the G125 Go No-Go gauge. The AF8 is an upper range crimp tool designed to crimp contacts from size 12 through 26. Some of the features of this tool is it has a positive ratchet which eliminates the potential for partial crimps and allows for full cycle. It also features a selector setting which is used to control the depth of the indenters. This is necessary for adjusting the crimp depth depending upon the contact size. In order to change the selector setting, it's important that you always have the handle in the open position. Lift up on the selector knob and rotate it to the desired setting. The AF8 utilizes many different turret heads which are designed to align the contact in the exact crimping location. To install the turret head, find the pin on the bottom of the turret and align it with the hole on the retaining ring. This will now align two self-captive screws that are used to tighten down with a 9/64 inch Allen wrench. Notice that the handle of this tool is in the open position. This is important anytime you're making any adjustment to the turret head and or to the selector setting. With the turret attached to the tool, we can now perform a crimp. For this application, we've chosen contact M39029 58 with a bin code of 363. Looking at the data plate, you'll notice the part number here is listed. Following the data plate across, we know we're dealing with the size 20 wire, which is indicated here. And then we're also using the selector setting number 3. So raise the selector setting and align it to the indicator line of number 3. Rotate the turret to the red position, depressing the head and locking it in place. Take your contact, install it in the tool, follow that with your wire. Make sure that all the strands of the wire are securely inside the contact barrel, and then close the handle all the way to the ratchet mechanism releases, and now you've performed a perfect crimp. The AFM8 is a lower range crimp tool which is designed to crimp contacts from size 20 through 32. You'll note that this tool has many features similar to the AF8. In this case, we're going to use a K positioner which is designed for one single contact. The K positioner has bayonet pins on the bottom which align with two slots in the retaining ring. Make sure that you rotate it in a clockwise manner until it locks into position. Reading the information on the data plate, it will tell you what selector setting to use, in this case with the size 20 wire and the size 20 contact. Raise the rotating selector knob and align it with the proper number. In this case again, we're looking at number 6. You'll notice that I had the handle open during this process. With the positioner in place, let's perform a crimp. Insert the contact, followed with your wire, depress the handle to where the ratchet will release, and now we've performed a perfect crimp. To check the calibration of these tools, you're going to want to use a G125 Go No-Go gauge. The gauge will tell you what selector setting to use for each one of these tools. On the AF8, the tool should be set on selector setting number 4. Using the green side and the handles fully closed, insert the gauge through the indenters, and they should pass freely. Remove the gauge, rotate it to the red side, and the Go No gauge should not pass through the indenters. With the AF8, make sure the tool is set on selector setting number 8 and the handles are fully closed. The green side should pass through the indenters, and again the red side will not pass through the indenters. After having performed this check, you can be assured that the tools are properly calibrated and should be good for use. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.